Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about becoming a successful mystery shopper quickly. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding mystery shopping and essential skills for mystery shoppers. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you've ever wondered how to earn extra income while enjoying a bit of adventure, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of mystery shopping, from what it entails to how you can get started right away. We'll discuss the essential skills you need, the types of assignments available, and tips for standing out in this competitive field. Mystery shopping is not just a fun side gig, it offers numerous benefits, including flexible hours, the chance to experience different businesses, and the opportunity to provide valuable feedback that can shape customer experiences. With its growing popularity, now is the perfect time to dive into this exciting world. Let's get started. Understanding mystery shopping. Mystery shopping is a research tool used by businesses to evaluate the quality of their customer service and overall shopping experience. Essentially, mystery shoppers pose as regular customers to assess various aspects of a store, such as employee behavior, product availability, and store cleanliness. This practice is prevalent across multiple industries, including retail, restaurants, hotels, and even banks. By employing mystery shoppers, companies gain valuable insights into their operations and can identify areas for improvement. Honest feedback from these evaluations is crucial as it helps businesses understand how well they meet customer expectations and where they may fall short. Ultimately, mystery shopping not only enhances the customer experience, but also drives businesses to maintain high standards, ensuring they remain competitive in an ever-evolving market. Essential skills for mystery shoppers. To excel as a mystery shopper, there are several key skills you should develop. First and foremost is attention to detail. Being able to notice small nuances in service or product presentation can make a significant difference in your reports. Strong communication skills are also essential, as you'll need to articulate your observations clearly and concisely. Additionally, keen observation skills allow you to assess the overall customer experience accurately. These skills contribute to effective reporting, ensuring that your feedback is both constructive and actionable. As you consider diving into mystery shopping, take a moment to assess your own skill set. Are you detail-oriented? Can you communicate effectively? By identifying your strengths and areas for improvement, you can better prepare yourself for success in this rewarding field. Finding mystery shopping opportunities. If you're eager to start your journey as a mystery shopper, knowing where to find legitimate opportunities is crucial. Reputable websites like Mystery Shopping Providers Association, MSPA, and various dedicated mystery shopping agencies offer a range of gigs. These platforms often list available assignments and provide valuable resources for new shoppers. However, it's essential to research companies before applying. Ensure they have a solid reputation and positive reviews from other mystery shoppers. This step helps you avoid scams and ensures you're working with trustworthy organizations. Additionally, consider networking with other mystery shoppers through online forums or social media groups. Engaging with this community can provide leads on new opportunities and insider tips on how to succeed in the field. By leveraging these resources, you'll be well on your way to finding rewarding mystery shopping assignments. Preparing for assignments. Getting ready for a mystery shopping assignment involves several important steps to ensure your success. First and foremost, it's crucial to read the assignment instructions thoroughly. Understanding the specific requirements and objectives will help you focus on what to observe and report. Next, consider practicing your observation skills before the visit. This could involve visiting similar establishments as a regular customer to sharpen your attention to detail and get a feel for what to look for. Additionally, remember to dress appropriately for the assignment. Blending in with the typical customer demographic can help you remain inconspicuous and gather more authentic feedback. By taking these preparation steps seriously, you'll be better equipped to provide valuable insights that can help businesses improve their customer service and overall experience. Happy shopping! Conducting the mystery shop. When conducting a mystery shopping visit, it's essential to blend in and act naturally to avoid drawing attention to yourself. This helps create a genuine experience, allowing you to assess the service as any regular customer would. During your visit, discreetly take notes to capture important details without interrupting the flow of your shopping experience. Jotting down observations about employee interactions, store cleanliness, and product availability can be invaluable when it comes time to report your findings. Additionally, be sure to adhere strictly to the assignment criteria provided. Each mystery shopping assignment has specific goals, and following these guidelines ensures that your feedback is relevant and useful to the business. By staying focused and organized during your visit, you'll be able to provide comprehensive insights that can help improve customer service and enhance the overall shopping experience. Submitting reports. After completing your mystery shopping assignment, submitting your report promptly and accurately is crucial. Timely submission not only reflects professionalism, but also ensures that the business can act on your feedback quickly. When structuring your report, aim for clarity and effectiveness. Start with a brief summary of your visit, followed by detailed observations organized by category, such as customer service, product availability, and store cleanliness. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make your findings easy to read. Additionally, it's important to be honest and provide constructive feedback in your reporting. Highlight both positive experiences and areas for improvement, as this balanced approach helps businesses understand their strengths and weaknesses. By following these guidelines, you'll contribute valuable insights that can lead to meaningful changes in the customer experience, making your role as a mystery shopper impactful and rewarding. Building a reputation. Building a positive reputation as a mystery shopper is essential for long-term success in this field. One of the best ways to achieve this is by maintaining consistency in your performance. By delivering thorough and accurate reports on a regular basis, you gain the trust of the companies you work with, making them more likely to offer you repeat assignments. These repeat opportunities not only provide a steady stream of income, but also allow you to develop a deeper understanding of specific businesses and their customer service practices. Additionally, professionalism in all your interactions is crucial. Whether communicating with clients or conducting assignments, a respectful and courteous demeanor reflects well on you. By focusing on these key aspects, you'll establish yourself as a reliable and valued mystery shopper, paving the way for more opportunities and a rewarding experience in this exciting field. In conclusion, we have covered the essential elements of becoming a successful mystery shopper. We emphasize the importance of developing key skills such as attention to detail, communication, and observation. Preparation is crucial, from thoroughly reading assignment instructions to dressing appropriately for your visits. Building a positive reputation through consistent performance and professionalism will open doors to repeat assignments and greater opportunities. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action and embark on your mystery shopping journey. Remember, every experience is a chance to learn and grow in this exciting field. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might be interested in mystery shopping. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Happy shopping, and we wish you the best in your mystery shopping adventures. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care